Hey y'all, and welcome back to Wagon Homestead. Before we jump into this garden tour, I'm going to give you guys an answer on the ducks, and the city is making us get rid of them, so it sucks, but it is what it is. There's nothing I can do. I've tried, so yeah. But, hopefully I'll find land soon. But let's jump into the garden tour. So, we are going to start over here with the strawberries. And the Tuscana strawberries are actually growing pretty well now. And I don't know why, because it has been so humid. I'm trying to hurry up and film this because we got rain until 8. We're having a little break right now. So we have the everbearing, and this is going to be a massive strawberry. I'm so excited. But yeah. Alrighty then. Well, that sucked. Ooh. Hold on. Alrighty, well that ended very terribly. Tried to catch it, that didn't work, but alrighty, so these strawberries are okay. Look at this one, it looks kind of pink a little bit. So we're gonna do the Musselburgh leeks. And these are finally starting to stand up on their own. It looks like we lost one right here, but the rest of them, so far, so good. Yeah. Then we have the Tongues of Fire, the Purple Teepee, and the Old Homestead or the Kentucky Wonderful. Whichever one you guys want to call it, it's the same one. So within a week, I mean, look at these. These are massive. Absolutely massive. This is so exciting. Those are looking good. Here we have the Purple Beauty, and we have a pepper. We have a lot of blossoms on here. And then we got some more down here. That's good. The herbs are looking really good so far. Come over to here. These carrots are almost done, so I'm going to pull these soon. The peas, I'm going to have to snatch those up soon. I haven't gotten anything. Finally took the strawberries out of here, tried them, didn't like them. These strawberries are doing very well. And everything's kind of laying down because we just had a huge rainstorm, so. The Asian lily is doing good. So with these peppers, they're still a bit yellow. And it does make me a little bit nervous, but I'm doing everything that I can. So we got a little flower right there. Well, actually no, flower's off, that's the pepper. We got these. And then we got that one. Alright, so with the tomatoes are really starting to look really good, thankfully. This one, the arms are finally open. I'm still waiting on the black cherry, but we're slowly getting there. The hillbilly's looking a lot better than what it was. The Corday Boo, the color is almost exactly where it needs to be. And the great white, the little arms are open, but we'll see how this goes. But yeah, so that's it for back here. Cannot believe I just almost basically chucked my strawberries off of, whatever. Alrighty, so we'll start over here. So this has finally bloomed. I'm very ecstatic for it. I'm happy about that. The big leafy thing has more flowers. This has really bloomed out and said hello to the world. Something is still eating the zinnias. I don't really know what though. But marigolds are looking good. I need to go through and deadhead some. Bush is looking okay. Gotta move the tree. Alrighty. Geraniums are looking good. The fuchsia's back there looking good. Everything is looking good so far, honestly. I'm gonna put the tree branches back down. This thing is weighed down so much with so much water. Probably gonna take a few of these off of here. Maybe. Alright, there's one. And alright, that's a little bit better. But look at how big these are getting. I'm so excited. So excited. Alrighty. I'm actually going to take these in and try these. I've never had a pear that's not done. So we'll see how it goes. But pear tree is looking really good. Over here, because I completely forgot about it because my brain is so frazzled right now. Butterfly bushes are looking good. The bush is trying to grow back. Leafy thing good, leafy thing good, leafy thing good. Japanese maple's been doing good. Flowers back there, nothing's ever been wrong with them. That leafy thing right there is good. This bush is trying to grow back some. It's also changing colors up there. Really pretty. Alright, so the dragon snaps are doing wonderful, as they always have. Here, all these are looking really good. This looks really pretty after it rains. What do you guys say? That's gorgeous. Love it. Fab. Alrighty, what the heck are these called? They're not hostas. There's something else. I forget. But either way, so we have like a bluish lilac-y color, and then we have more of a pinky color going on, and then we have straight up lilac, and then more of like a blue pink, like it's mixed in. I don't know, it's really pretty. I'm super ecstatic. So right here, all of these are looking really, really well. So far, so good. Ooh. And everything here, nothing's changed. Ooh, what's touching me? Oh, it's just water. Okay. I hate when I feel like things are crawling on me. I freak out a little bit. So all of these looking good. Nothing's changed. Something is eating the clematis, but I don't know what, which kind of sucks. Over here, everything's all hunky-dory. The fuchsia, which is right there, is doing good. And then we have another fuchsia right. Alrighty, video cut out because my phone wants to be ridiculous. Anyway, so there's a fuchsia flower right there, and the same plant right there, and everything's been looking really, really well. So we have a bean right there, and this bean, where are we at? Has just flowered. And then here we have the Cherokee Purple, which is looking great. The Get Stuffed Tomato, which is just, fabulous. So excited for it. Here we have the Standing Hibiscus, and again with new leaves, everything's just going straight to yellow. And they come off so easily. Like, with this one, I didn't even have to try. That's just coming off. But you can also tell the heat is kind of getting to it. It's been very, very humid here, and very, very hot. And there's just so much moisture in the air recently. Oh, it's almost unbearable, honestly. So we have pumpkin. Don't know what variety, but we have pumpkin. The Jack B. Little is looking fabulous with itself. We have the Sugar Baby Watermelon. 1, 2, and 3 Magic Lantern pumpkins, and these are doing good so far. We have another pumpkin, don't remember what variety is in there. And then in here, so we have Sugar Baby, Jack B. Little, Sugar Baby, Magic Lantern right there, and right here is a Jack B. Little. But all of these so far are looking very healthy, very good. Except for this one. So the leaves died and the stem is still green. I don't really know what it's going to do, but I'm going to leave it and see what it does. Over here we have all the beans. And there's so many flowers on these guys. I'm so ecstatic. We're going to be harvesting beans forever. Alrighty. Oh, we got more flowers right there. Yeah, these are so big. I probably could have used like a trellis or something for these because these are getting pretty tall. Even though they're all supposed to be bush beans. Like some of them are really small, others, like, where did it go? This one right here, like I probably could have put that on a trellis and trained it. Alrighty, so here, so this cucumber is, the heat got to it and that's been the smallest cucumber, so I don't think that's going to come back. I think that's about done. Where's all the cucumbers that were on here? Well, that was a cucumber. This heat is just getting to everything. But we got two right there. And then we got one right there. And then we got some at the bottom here. And then the flower right there, there's a little melon. Not a little melon, a little cucumber growing. Yeah, this heat recently, I mean, it's been almost 100 degrees every day recently. And then with the humidity, it feels like 102. So, we have the Page Mandarin Orange tree, sorry. But we have that going. The, what are those, hibiscuses are doing good over there. Here we have the lily pads and the flower is done for the day. It usually blooms about early to mid-afternoon, and by late mid-afternoon to late afternoon it's done, it's closed. These flowers are doing well. Nothing has changed with these or that basket over there. Everything looks the same over here. These are looking good. Trees looking good. Rose bush looking good. Fountain needs a little cleaning. Rose bush is good. These lily pads are doing good. We only have 3, 4, and 5 pads that have something on it. I'm not really sure what it is. I don't really know much about lily pads except for they flower and I love the flowers. This is heavily weighed down from the water from all the rain. But so far so good. So we replaced the climbing flower that was here because the climbing flower officially died. Don't know what was wrong with it, but oh well, I guess. But we have these. Water plant looking good. Over here, so we started with this lettuce, and now we have this one, and that one, and that one, this one, that one, that one. So this just produces on its own, and these are what the roots look like. It's kind of creepy, honestly, a little bit. And these have also multiplied tremendously. And it's just all bunched together. But I really, really like the lettuces. I just think those are so cool. But yeah, so that's what those look like. These only have a few flowers left on them, not many. And honestly, I'm surprised none of these are bent over because of the rain that we just had. All the bushes are looking good. That one you can tell the rain got to, and it's just weighed way down at the moment. The heat, sadly, it doesn't look like the other ones are affected, but these fuchsias, oh, the heat is just getting it. There's not many flowers on here that are not wilted from all this heat that we're having. Rhododendron bush looks the same. I'm gonna come over here. So these flowers are still looking fabulous with themselves, and I really like these, so I'm glad these are doing really good. Bush is good, leafy thing is good. We have more of the yellow flowers, which, guys, if you know what these are, please leave it down in the comments, because I have no idea, but I love it. So all of the bushes, they probably look a lot smaller, especially that one right there. And that's because everyone got a haircut, so looking a little crazy. Leafy thing is good, and the Japanese maple is looking good. It is so lopsided, guys. Look at this. Like, what is up with that? It's been like that this whole year. It wasn't like that last year. But, so I'm sure you guys saw something on the screen earlier about, I'm sure you guys saw something on the screen earlier about wax melts. So those are still on sale until July 4th. I have 16 or 17 cents to choose from, so definitely go check those out. My personal favorite is sugar berries, Georgia peach, sweet caramel cream, and blueberry cobbler. Those are my, like, fabulous. So good. But yeah, so with the ducks, I mean, it is what it is. There's nothing I can do. I've tried, and the city told me basically too bad, even though they're not bothering anybody. So it is what it is, and want to look for land up here because my boyfriend does not want to move south like I do. He wants to stay in the city that we live. So I figured, you know what, let's get out of the city. Let's start looking for houses and start saving up, and hopefully get land sooner than what I expect. But I mean, it's in the Lord's hands, and we'll have to see what happens. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this garden tour was a little bit shorter. I didn't go into super in-depth, but it's getting dark again, so I'm waiting for the rain to just pour. But thank you guys so much for coming along on this video and watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.